Installation: rain gutter. Before. Featuring TVS King Deluxe. Did you know that rain gutters are more important than you might realize? Though they can add a nice decorative element to your tuk-tuk, their primary purpose is to prevent mold, mildew, and other water damage. Gutters keep your tuk-tuk in place by directing rainwater away from your siding and foundation. It also helps your canopy last a longer period of time. It prevents patches in your canopy. What happens if you don't have rain gutters? Without gutters, too much water runs off the canopy and splashes down onto your tuk-tuk. It may cause inconvenience to your passenger during rainy days. Over time, too much water leads issues like damages of your hood or canopy. Importance of rain gutter. During a storm, they effectively channel water flow from your canopy through the downspouts and direct it to the appropriate areas outside your tuk-tuk. Disadvantage of not having gutters. If rain flows off your canopy because you have no gutters, the water causes massive splashes onto ground. This causes inconvenience to your passenger, allowing runoff to flow around to your canopy instead of away from it. Grab this WALZISMART personalized rain gutter. Visit us at our Facebook official account at facebook.com/walzi.smart.5. You may also visit our physical store at 4-7B Rubia Street, Barangay Mintal, Davao City. Order this rain gutter now.